Hi everyone and welcome to the Brilliant Little Backyard. Snake beans, they're very healthy. They just start producing flowers and pods, the beans produce their own food in their roots. They will have nodes to produce their food. But if we live in a volatile area weather-wise, like it can get really very hot, then after a few hours the temperature drops. We can help the beans moderate and cope with this weather by using two type of organic food. One is actual food, which is seaweed concentrate, and the second one is Epsom salt. Epsom salt is magnesium sulfate, and that's helped the roots absorb more food. The seaweed solution will help the plants to cope with the changing of the weather, in addition to provide plenty of nutrient. Going to use 5 teaspoons of Epsom salt in 9 liters of water. And I'm going to use 50 milliliter of seaweed concentrate into 9 liters of water. This way, the pods will grow longer, and the leaves will be greener, will produce more fruits, and it will last more, and it will cope with the weather change between hot and cold in a better way. It's been 2 months since planting the seeds of the snake beans. That's arm's length snake beans now, ready to be harvested, and it looks amazing, producing a lot of pods. The pods are around 50 centimeter tall now, some of them around 60. That's an amazing beans. Recommended to be grown in every backyard. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.